I am outside Wilmington, New York right now here in the Adirondacks, and you can see the temperature on the dash reads 53 degrees. It is June 18th. This is an impromptu video. I hadn't planned on doing this, but I'm hiking near Whiteface Mountain, which actually has a road that goes up to the summit. So I thought to myself, you know what? Let's go up there. Let's see what the temperature difference is. Temperatures at the summit currently 35 degrees, and temperatures at the base mountain 48 degrees. Wind speeds 20 to 50 miles per hour, and then they've got their what's open. So the highway is open today, and so is the elevator. So there's an elevator that actually goes up. It's built into the mountain that actually goes up to the summit. They've got the Summit Nature Trail listed as closed, so I'm assuming we can't actually hike up there. Well, it's not really a hike, it's like a 0.2 mile walk, but I'm assuming we can't walk up to the summit. We'll have to take the elevator. It's gonna be cold, it's gonna be windy. Who knows, maybe it'll be snowing. How's it going?
Oh, just yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so it'll be $20 to go up, and just so you know, there is zero visibility for the entire drive.
Okay, first stop on the road. Nice mountain views here. There is some drizzle starting to come down, and actually you can see the cloud line. We're about to drive into it, maybe a couple hundred yards up the road. So Whiteface is the 5th tallest mountain in the state of New York, 4,867 feet high. The road itself is a 2,300 foot elevation climb over 5 miles. So pretty cool. It's open from like May to early October. And then once the snow starts falling, people actually ski down this, which is pretty neat. We've stopped. Oh, I just got my foot on the ground. That's nice. I gotta change these slippers out for my boots. We've stopped at another lookout, and you can see we are up in the clouds. And if you look at the trees, they're starting to blow a little bit. Check this view out. Gorgeous day. You can't see anything. All right, we have made it to 4,289 feet elevation. Temperature here currently is 39 degrees. We've dipped into the 30s. Saw some guys wearing, or not wearing, driving down in motorcycles. I bet they were cold. Normally this is an expansive view right here. One thing I didn't mention is there's actually like a castle at the summit of Whiteface. And here is the castle. There's even a food truck, so you can get yourself some lunch on a normal day. Whew. Here's the inside for those curious. The castle at Whiteface. I don't think the GoPro is gonna be able to pick this up, but there was 100% some snowflakes coming down. This is my first time ever seeing snowfall in June. Oh, I'm excited. Elevator to summit. All right, let's do this thing. This tunnel is wild, look at this. I've never ridden the elevator, so this will be neat. My hands are freezing. Going up. So this is the actual rock that it's cut into. As you can see, that's pretty cool. This underwent a huge renovation, this elevator did, a couple of years ago, like right before the pandemic, I think. Woo! There's definitely snow coming down. Snow, ice. Woo! Woo! There's definitely snow coming down, and there's definitely ice coming down. See if you can see it. Just an awesome experience being up here in this wild weather for the day. Not too windy right now, but it is definitely cold. It's been spitting snow and spitting sleet the whole time I've been up here. Hopefully the GoPro is picking it up. You can see it just lightly coming down. Normally this view right here, you can see all the high peaks and quite a number of mountains, of course, and then Lake Placid itself, and it's really a great view, but not today. Today, my friends, it is just a cloudy day. Cloudy and snowy. My hands feel cold. One more clip to end it. I have found the wind right here. That's awesome.